Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a little DIY at home gel manicure using some of Nail Addict's gel polishes. Nail Addict is a non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free nail polish line, gel polish line, and I really love them. I did this pretty lilac color on my nails. This one's actually called Lilac Madness, and I really like this color. Purple is one of my favorite colors. But yeah, I will have a coupon code and I will leave all of their information and links in the description box down below. So if you are interested in purchasing, definitely check them out. So this is probably going to be the last time you see my face in this video, so I really hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Hit that button, hit the notification bell, all that stuff, so you get notified when I post a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Okay, so Nail Addict sent me these three colors. First I have this lavender color. It's called Lilac Madness. It's really pretty. Then I have this one called Hottie Me, which is like a reddish pinkish color. And lastly I have this green that is called Royal Green. It's like a really deep, like foresty green. I like this one a lot actually. So the thing is, since my nails are short, I don't like to put dark colors on my nails because they look more stubby, like my hands look really stubby. So I think I'm gonna go with this purple because it is the lightest. I think all of them are really pretty, but I think purple would look the best on my nails right now. So some of the things I'm using today are a nail drill. I got this one from Walmart and it came with all the different heads. This was like $9 or $10. And I also have a nail file and a buffer. Then I have a UV light because this is gel polish. So this one is from Walmart. It's honestly not the best, but it's all I could find right now. So we're gonna go with it. I also do have some alcohol. So there's nothing on my nails right now. I'm gonna go in with my drill and I'm gonna be using the cuticle pusher head to kind of push back my cuticles. Now I'm just gonna file the little bit of nail that I do have. So I'm really trying to let my nails grow. I'm gonna insert a picture of what they looked like a few months ago. And yeah, I ruined my nails by doing the powder nails. I used to do SNS and I literally did it for a whole year straight. I didn't take it off to give my nails a break, not one time. And when I finally took it off, they all broke. Day by day. They were so weak and they're barely growing back right now. So I really like how this brand is like vegan and healthy for your nails and non-toxic. Hopefully it doesn't cause any more damage to my nails because I really want them to get back to the picture that I just showed you. Okay, so nail prep is completely done. I just wiped them down with some alcohol as well to make sure they're completely clean and ready to go. So I also have here the base coat, I have a top coat, and then I also have a remover, which is really interesting. I've never seen a gel remover polish thingy like this, so that's really interesting, and I'll have to use that maybe in another video, but obviously I'm not going to be using that today. But I'm going to go ahead and apply the base coat. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the Lilac Madness color, which is a really pretty light purple. Super pretty. So I'm just going in with some acetone to clean up the edges before I cure it so that they don't look as messy as they do right now. So this is one hand done. I think it came out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. I haven't done my own nails in a very long time, but I'm gonna do this hand and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished both of my hands. I really like the way that it came out, and I also like the shine that it gives off. It's really pretty. But I used the color Lilac Madness, this one right here. Yeah, this is a little up close moment. What they look like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.